Friends, as of now, the total samples collected is 838, and the total number of cases tested negative is 714. We have another 113 cases where we're waiting, and 10 active cases as of now. And we are also, all the 10 active cases as of now are stable, and they are all quarantined. And at the same time, I would also like to inform you that apart from other programs which I have spoken about in my previous briefings, we have also started the distribution of financial assistance under the CMS Special Grant for individuals stranded in different parts of the country. For this purpose, we are categorizing, and there are different categories of workers, students, professionals and others, and therefore we have selected the workers group first. And as we speak, the money for supporting them, that is a lump sum amount of 3,000 rupees, is being given to 1,617 people stranded in different parts of the country. Apart from them, friends, I would like to take this opportunity today to share and to discuss and to address some of the concerns that some people have raised. Number one, of course, people have talked about the ambulances and that some of the ambulances are not in good condition. We are very aware of it, and that's the reason why we decided that we will be giving the money of the Chief Minister's Relief Fund for procurement of 25 ambulances. Apart from that, some people have also raised concern about the drivers who are delivering the different essential commodities. Are they being screened and tested? Yes, friends, to inform you, we are doing that. We are screening them, we are testing them, and we are also disinfecting the trucks and the vehicles that are coming in. And that is also one of the reasons why sometimes there is delay in the transportation of products, because these processes and protocols have to be followed. Friends, also I would like to request our locality headmen and also the parents and elders in the house that 2-3 things I think is very important we need to do as a society. Secondly, I would also request that the virus as such is something that we have seen throughout the world affects the elderly more, and therefore I would urge that if our elderly, our senior citizens, if they could refrain from going out and they could keep themselves safe, because this virus is something that we have seen throughout the world affects the elderly more. So I would urge our elderly and our senior citizens to refrain from going out as far as possible. Friends, there were also some issues about the laborers from different parts of the country who are in the state, stuck in the state. Some concerns about who is supposed to take care of them. Well, it's very clear that every state government in every part of the country is supposed to take care of all migrant laborers. So like it's being done in other parts of the state, of the country, even the Meghalaya government has been supporting and taking care and providing shelter to all migrant laborers who have come here from different parts of the country. And there were also concerns about the mining areas, and I think some suggestions came in that there should be some relief camps set up in those mining areas also, because a lot of laborers are there. Friends, that also has been done in most of the mining areas, and in case there are any areas that are left out, I will once again check on that and ensure that all steps are taken that we can take care of all those also.